morning students, I am Swati from Oxford High School, Uppakundu. Today, next continuation, 3 problems over before class. Today, third problem. Make 3 different 3-digit number. Make 3 different 3-digit number using 1, 9 and 8. 9 and 8. Where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Okay. Make 3 different 3-digit number ma. 3 different 3-digit number using 1, 9, 8. Which digit can be used only once? Okay. Solution ma. Given the digits are 1, 9 and 8. 1, 9 and 8. Make 3 different numbers. 3 different numbers are different numbers are 198, 891, 981. Make 3 different number. Okay. Check which of these numbers are divisible by 9. Okay. Divisible by 9 will what ma? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So the given number is also divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 rule. Divisible by 9. The given number that is equal to 198. The sum of the digit is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 8. That is equal to 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2 ja 18. So, 18 is divisible by 9. So, 198 is also divisible by 9. Okay. The given numbers 198, the sum of the digit 1 plus 9 plus 8. 18 is divisible by 9. So, the given number 198 is also divisible by 9. Okay, are you understand? Next, make three different numbers. 8 plus 9 what ma? 17. 17 plus 1? 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So the given number is also divisible by 9. Next, 9 plus 8? 17. 17 plus 1? 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So the given number is also divisible by 9. Write 3-digit numbers. Separately check which of these numbers. Okay, question. One problem I have explained. Remaining two problems you have to write. Okay? Next one. Next, fifth problem. Which numbers among among 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exactly. Okay, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in reverse order. And test now. Which numbers divided it exactly? Which number divides it exactly. Okay. First, which numbers among 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 divides 12,345 exactly? The given number 12,345 is divisible by 2 and 12,345 is divisible by 3 and 12,345 is divisible by 5 and 12,345 is divisible by 6 and divisible by 9 is exactly. Okay, divisible by exactly. Write these number in reverse order. Okay, write these number in reverse order and test now which of the numbers divides exactly. Okay, question. Next one. Reverse order what, ma? Solution. 12,345 in reverse order. Reverse order what, ma? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is reverse order. This reverse order is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Okay. First one. Divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. The given number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is divisible by 2? No. Why? The unit place must be 1. So 54,321 is not divisible by 2 is not divisible by 2. So the unit place is, because the unit place is 1. Okay. Next, divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. The given number is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sum of the digit is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So the given number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is also divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 rule what, ma? The unit place must be 0 or 5. So the given number is divisible by 5. But this given number unit place 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 5 because the unit place is 1. The unit place is 1. Next, divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 rule what, ma? Exactly divisible by 2 and exactly both divisible by 2 and 3. So the given number is also divisible by 6. But this given number is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So the given number is also not divisible by 6. Okay. The given number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 6. Next, divisible by 9th rule. Divisible by 9th rule, the sum of the digit that is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15 is not divisible by 9. So is also not divisible by 9. Okay, I understand. Divisible by 9th rule. First we have to which of the numbers are among the exactly anta divides exactly divisible anta and reverse order write in reverse order. Test now which numbers are divides in exactly. Okay, exactly divisible are no. Okay, next one. Okay, this is next problem. I have same before 2 digit number 3 digit number is divisible by 9, but now next problem different. Sixth one, write the smallest digit and the greatest possible digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. First one. Dash 6, 7, 2, 4. Next, second one. 4, 7, 6, 5, dash 2. Third one. 7, 2, 2, 1, dash 5. Write any blank given number so the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. First we have to given number we have to add 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 we have to add 2 21. Okay, 21 is divisible by 3. Next 4 plus 7. That implies 6 plus 7, 7 plus 2 plus 4. That is equal to what, ma? 30, 15, 19. 19, which number we have? What number should be added? Given number is divisible by 3. Okay? What number? 2. 2 is added to 21 is divisible by 3. Overall 2, 21. 3 8 is 24. 5 plus 5 also we have to add. Okay? Next, that implies 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 7. 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24. We have to add 0. 24 is divisible by 3. Next, that implies 7 plus 2, 2 plus 1, that is plus 5. That is equal to 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. What number should be added? 17. We get divisible by 3. 17 plus 1, 18. 3 6 are 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So, these are fill the blanks and check your this is. Okay. Thank you today.